guys, today I'm doing a review of these Edemame Gyoza Dumplings from Summ. I got these on sale, as you can see, and yeah, so let's show you the back. If you guys want to read that, pause the video and read your pound, and let's, so I'm going to cook it up. That's what they look like, and I will do a quick taste test, so stay tuned, guys. So this is what it looks like. This is the ponzu sauce it comes with, and we're going to do a quick taste test. So, there's the filling. There's no, it's like cabbage and carrots I can see there. The sauce has a nice vinegary taste. But yeah, it's just like veggies, like edamame in there. Not bad. Maybe check it out. But I generally prefer the one with meat in it. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.